Ladies and gentlemen, the political season is hotting up and Rahul Gandhi finds himself in a terrible spot. You see, viewers, Rahul Gandhi has been saying that since yesterday he's saying that he has been terribly insulted because on the floor of the parliament, he has been asked what his caste is. Which caste does Rahul Gandhi belong to? And upon being asked that fairly simple and elementary question, Rahul Gandhi says, I feel insulted. How come? He says, are people identifying me by what my caste is? Caste, as far as Rahul Gandhi, should not be asked of any individual as long as that individual is a member of the Gandhi Vadra family. But the same Rahul Gandhi, at every point of time, asks everyone else to declare what their caste is. If a reporter asks him a slightly tough question, he gets angry and says, which caste are you from? His party, after the Pulwama attack, supports people who say that we must do a caste census on the martyrs. Ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Minister, his caste has been questioned by Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi looks at everything in terms of caste. But when he is asked what his caste is, he says, no, I feel insulted. Rahul Gandhi says, my only focus in life, my obsession, my goal is a caste census in this country, which means he says that every Indian will be asked and forced, even if they don't want to identify themselves primarily by their caste, not by their nationality, but by their caste. And yet the same Rahul Gandhi is complaining his party is creating hell on the floor of parliament. How dare anyone ask Rahul Gandhi what his caste is? And I'm really surprised. You see, ladies and gentlemen, as they say, the shoe pinches when it's on the other foot. So when you are asked the same questions that you want to ask everyone else, you get very touchy about it. Viewers, a simple and elementary point tonight. Rahul Gandhi says all problems of the country will be solved if only people from SC, ST, Muslims are put in important positions. In that case, Rahul Gandhi, why don't you, Priyanka Vadra, Sonia Gandhi, all these people, why don't you give up the positions you are on? By being in the positions which you are, you have effectively ensured upper caste representation at the highest levels of the Congress party. Why should the leader of the opposition be from an upper caste like Rahul Gandhi? Thirdly, why is Rahul Gandhi touchy about telling everyone what caste he is from? After all, there was a time when he wore a sacred thread, a janau, over a suit in the most clumsy way and made his party spokespersons go around and say that he's a Janeudari Hindu, which means he's an upper caste Hindu. In other words, trying to tell the whole world he's a Brahmin. The same Rahul Gandhi wants to be identified as a Brahmin, wants to be identified as an upper caste. Now gets irritated when Anurag Thakur asks him on the floor of parliament, which caste are you from? You see, viewers, people like Rahul Gandhi want to break the country on the basis of caste and religion. And they realize how much it hurts when they are asked about their caste. Viewers, this country has had enough of caste. We will not be a developed country if this unhealthy obsession with caste continues. And hence my question for all of you today is this. Do you support this extremely worrying and very, very unhealthy obsession with caste that Rahul Gandhi has? The world that he wants India to become is one where if you're running a unicorn, you have to first divide it on the basis of caste. If you want to start a private space company in India, you must run it on the basis of caste. If you run a media company, you must run it on the basis of caste. Everything should be run on the basis of caste, but not the highest position in the Congress party. Because as a self-claimed upper caste Hindu, as an upper caste Hindu, which Rahul Gandhi says he is, only he has the right to be at the highest echelons of the Congress party. This, viewers, is the worst case of hypocrisy. Let's debate.
जाति जनगणना को हम यहां पास करके दिखाएंगे।
जिसकी जात का पता नहीं वो गणना की बात करता है।
आप बताएं जाति कैसे पूछ सकते हैं आप? पूछ के दिखाओ जाति को।
जात जो पूछे राहुल की प्रकट हुआ अज्ञान, मम्मी मम्मी कह के रोए भाई जान।
जितना मेरा आप लोग इंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं आप खुशी से करिए।
कौन जात बा? कौन जात बा?
Congress MP and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi sparked a stormy debate with a demand for caste census.
जितना मेरा आप लोग इंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं आप खुशी से करिए, आप रोज करिए, मगर एक बात मत भूलिए, जाति जनगणना को हम यहां पास करके दिखाएंगे। धन्यवाद। जितना इंसल्ट करना है करिए, मैं खुशी से लूंगा।
Launching an offensive against centre, Rahul also politicized the budget's halwa ceremony and gave it a casteist angle.
ये जो बजट का जो हलवा है सर, ये बट रहा है, और इस फोटो में सर मुझे एक ओबीसी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक आदिवासी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक दलित अफसर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे।
The daggers were drawn when BJP MP Anurag Thakur asked about caste, sparking massive uproar in the Lok Sabha.
माननीय सभापति जी, जिसकी जात का पता नहीं वो गन्ना की बात करता है।
इनसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपने जाति कैसे पूछ ली है बताइए बस। आप जाति कैसे पूछ सकते हैं? आप बताएं जाति कैसे पूछ सकते हैं? आप पूछ के दिखाओ जाति को।
The BJP has gone all guns blazing against Rahul Gandhi. BJP MP Sambit Patra took a swipe at the Congress.
माननीय अनुराग ठाकुर जी ने जब अपने विषय को रखा, नाम नहीं लेते हुए उन्होंने कहा जिसकी जाति का पता नहीं वह जाति पूछ रहे हैं। किसी को बुरा नहीं लगा, केवल एक व्यक्ति को बुरा लगा और उसके इशारे पे कांग्रेस के सारे सदस्य खड़े हो गए। क्यों? जाति क्या पूछ लिया? हंगामा क्यों बरप गया?
The BJP teared into Rahul Gandhi, saying there is nothing wrong in asking about his caste.
We as common citizens have every right of questioning you. कौन जात बा? कौन जात बा?
Patra further sharpened his attack on Rahul with poetic jibes.
जात जो पूछे राहुल की प्रकट हुआ अज्ञान, मम्मी मम्मी कह के रोए भाई जान।
The BJP also slammed the LOP for giving acronyms based on caste and raked up the Gandhi's embroilment in the National Herald case.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में नेशनल हेराल्ड केस में A1 सोनिया गांधी है, एक्यूज नंबर 1, और A2 एक्यूज नंबर 2 राहुल गांधी है। So A1, A2 are allotted portfolios. जिस पोर्टफोलियो का अलॉट कर दिया गया है उस पोर्टफोलियो में आप दोबारा किसी को नहीं बैठा सकते।
This is not the first time when Rahul showcased his obsession with caste identities. During his Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, Rahul went a step ahead and asked the castes of journalists during the press meet.
मीडिया के आप, नाम क्या आपका? हाँ, आप शिव प्रसाद जी हैं, आपके मालिक का क्या नाम है? नाम बताओ। वो ओबीसी है? नहीं। वो दलित है? नहीं। वो आदिवासी है? नहीं। अरबपति है वो।
Few weeks ago, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari took a wheel dig at the opposition and slammed the politics of caste.
जो करेगा जात की बात उसको कस के मारूंगा लात। सरल करने की बात।
While Wayanad is inundated, Rahul is busy crying caste in the parliament. He has skipped his visit to Wayanad while other big leaders have already landed to take stock of the situation. The daggers have drawn between the BJP and the India Alliance. The big question is, does Rahul Gandhi have an unhealthy obsession with caste?
See, viewers, I believe that Rahul Gandhi has a maniacal obsession with caste. He needs to, and the way I look at it, Sanju, I'll just spend 1 minute explaining things. He needs to explain why he's in politics, beyond being a member of his family. And so he has given himself this role and justification. He says, Priyanka, Akashdeep Lokesh Nahid, he says, I will be remembered as the man who brought back caste into Indian politics. Therefore, he is saying that he is the new VP Singh. He is the new Lalu Prasad. But I'm not sure if the Lalu Prasad brand of politics will work in India today, with greatest of respect for your leader, Priyanka. So, Sanju, I want to open the debate by asking Lokesh. Lokesh, I'm curious to know. And everybody is curious to know, what is Rahul Gandhi's caste? किस जात से है वो? उनकी कास्ट क्या है? I just want to know what is his caste.
The caste is that of a statesman who wants the country to have equality.
No. So
Social
what is
justice.
his caste?
A statesman. I
अच्छा,
told you.
तो ये यूनिक
There is a
कास्ट है.
caste of leaders.
ये कास्ट है statesman.
There is a caste of leaders. Mahatma Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi.
They are different caste.
Now, there are
Sonia Gandhi also
these-
different caste. What is Sonia Gandhi's caste?
There is this caste of politicians.
What is Sonia
who are
Gandhi's
statesmen
caste?
And who stand for the
I am
social
asking you,
justice.
what is Sonia Gandhi's caste? What is Rahul Gandhi's caste?
The same caste, statesman.
Statesman. ये फॉर्म में लिखी जाएगी जब कास्ट जनगणना होगी. जब वो जाति जनगणना करेंगे तो उनको पूछा जाएगा आपकी कास्ट क्या है. तो उस समय संजू वर्मा, राहुल गांधी क्या लिखेंगे? मैं स्टेट्समैन हूं, आप सब आम आदमी हो. नहीं अर्नब मत देखिए. नहीं देखिए, 1 मिनट देखिए. व्यूअर्स सी, आई हैव हिट बुल्स आई.
Yes.
दुनिया भर के लोगों को दिन रात सुबह शाम राहुल गांधी पूछते हैं कौन जात बा, लाइक संबित पात्र, कौन जात बा. खुद को पूछी जाए तो कहते मेरा इंसल्ट हो गया. आई एम आस्किंग यू, व्हाट इज हिज कास्ट?
Arnab, the
What is his
disparaging
caste?
remark of Anurag Thakur was a comment that a person does not have a caste. Now that is something.
No,
which
but what is
very
Rahul
common.
Gandhi's caste?
No, Arnab, how does it matter?
How does it matter?
When I'm talking
अरे आप
about-
दुनिया भर के लोगों को पूछते रहते हैं आपकी कास्ट क्या है, आपकी
When
कास्ट
we
क्या
are
है.
talking
अपनी
about
कास्ट
the
पूछेंगे तो
caste,
कहेंगे
we are
how does it
talking about
matter?
those who are socially and educationally backward. We are talking about those.
ये
who
देखो,
are
ये
not
see viewers,
adequately
please
represented
listen.
in public
And
services,
Congi supporters
in the
देखिए,
public employment.
Congi supporters देखिए कितने टची हो जाते हैं जब पूछा जाता है आपका कास्ट क्या है. And viewers, I want to tell you, if Rahul Gandhi ever comes to power, आपके घर के बाहर पुलिस भेजेंगे और कहेंगे जब तक वहां पे लिखो किस जाति के हो, और वो कहेंगे टाटा को, बिरला को अपनी कंपनियां जात से चलाइए. अपने कंपनी के सीईओ को जात देख के आप उनको रिक्रूट कीजिए. प्राइवेट सेक्टर, पब्लिक सेक्टर सब जात पे चलेगी. जुडिशरी जात पे चलेगी. आप कहेंगे आर्मी में भी आप जात लाइए. आप हर चीज पे जात ला रहे हैं, मगर मुझे नहीं बता रहे राहुल गांधी किस जात पे. Which caste is Rahul Gandhi from? Viewers, which caste is Rahul Gandhi from? Lokesh, please tell the nation wants to know. What is Rahul Gandhi's caste?
Arnab, I'll tell you.
What is his caste?
Arnab, what is happening today is there is an increased marginalization.
No. Theory मत दीजिए. What is his caste? No, sorry. नहीं, ये क्या जवाब है? मैं कह रहा हूँ
आप एक काम कीजिए, सोशल इकोनॉमिक कास्ट सेंसस, जाति जनगणना शुरू कीजिए, हम आपको पूरी डिटेल्स बता देंगे.
Okay, Sanju is on the debate. I'll come to you after
अगर
that.
आपको जानना चाहते हैं तो जाति
Okay,
जनगणना
Sanju,
कीजिए.
why do you want to know what is Rahul Gandhi's caste?
You know, Arnab, first and foremost, I think Anurag Thakur has taken the bull by the horns. And while Anurag Thakur showed the decency to not name anyone, I think I am not compelled here to be politically correct. I will address the elephant in the room, and I will say this without shoving the uncomfortable truth under the carpet. Anurag Thakur ने राहुल गांधी के लिए ही कहा है, जिसकी खुद की जाति का पता नहीं, वो जाति जनगणना की बात करते हैं. But the limited point is this. I always say the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Mohan Yadav, current Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, OBC, उमा भारती, बाबूलाल गौर, शिवराज सिंह चौहान, जो 15 साल से ज्यादा मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री रहे, all of them OBCs. मोहन माझी, the current chief minister of BJP from Odisha, a tribal leader, Vishnu Deosai, the current BJP chief minister of Chhattisgarh, a tribal leader, Chhattisgarh's deputy CM Arun Sao of the BJP and OBC, Jagdish Devra, the deputy CM of Madhya Pradesh of the BJP, a Dalit, Premchand Bairwa, the deputy chief minister of Rajasthan, a Dalit, द्रौपदी मुर्मू जिसके खिलाफ पूरे डॉट अलायंस ने यशवंत सिन्हा को खड़ा किया था. द्रौपदी मुर्मू is not only the second woman president of India but the first tribal president of India coming from the marginalized Santhal tribe. और इसी द्रौपदी मुर्मू के लिए अखिलेश यादव ने कहा था, अरे ये तो बीजेपी की कठपुतली है. इसी द्रौपदी मुर्मू के लिए लालू प्रसाद यादव और उनके सुपुत्र तेजस्वी यादव ने कहा था, शी इज जस्ट अ पपेट ऑफ द आरएसएस. तो आज ये लोग बैठकर ओबीसी, दलित, ट्राइबल्स के हितैषी बनने की जो हाहाकार मचाए हुए हैं, आई से दैट इज हिपोक्रेसी एट इट्स वेरी वर्स्ट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आई विल गिव यू अ फिगर. टिल डेट बीजेपी हैज हैड 72 चीफ मिनिस्टर्स, out of which 25 belong to the OBC community, which means roughly 35% are OBCs. Till date, Congress sent 250 chief ministers, of which only 43 come from the OBC community, which means only 17% of Congressy chief ministers were OBCs. So Rahul Gandhi,
I am on a very limited point today, viewers.
क्या कहना है इस पर?
No, I am on a very limited point. देखिए प्रियंका जी, we have all come up through merit. You are a PhD scholar. There are various people here. We have all come up through merit. और मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ, I'll let me explain to you my view. Dubious or not, whatever it is, you see the fact is that some people say कि सबकी पहचान उनकी जात होती है, और मैं कहता हूँ हमेशा ईश्वरन, मैं कहता हूँ सबकी पहचान उनकी मेहनत होती है, उनकी परिश्रम होती है. Leave that aside. We are on a very political point today. What is Rahul Gandhi's caste? It's a question to be answered. It's not a question to be avoided, Ishkaran. Right? I mean, you can say, I am a upper caste Hindu, I am a Brahmin. I don't, for those who believe in caste, you see, Rahul Gandhi believes in caste. I don't believe in caste. For those who believe in caste, must identify their caste. He asks everybody what their caste is.
First of all,
but why does he not declare what his own caste is, since he's a believer in the caste theory?
First of all, Arnav,
what is his caste, by the way? Do you think it's right of him to say that I will wear a janeu on top of my suit, right? And call myself a janeudari Hindu?
Let me. Arnav, first of all, when you say I am upper caste, the terminology itself carries discrimination. You should say upper caste because you were not upper by birth and there is no one lower by birth. They were lowered by the society because of caste discrimination.
Agreed with you. Now tell me what is Rahul Gandhi's caste?
Now let me come to
what
the point.
What is Rahul? No, political point is Priyanka.
Yes,
Priyanka, the simple question here is this. See, leave all the papers you have brought with you aside.
When you ask
leave all that aside.
Rahul Gandhi, when you ask the caste of Rahul Gandhi, the moment you ask, you are not saying Rahul Gandhi ki jaat ka pata nahi. This was exact statement Anurag Thakur used.
What did he say?
Rahul Gandhi ki jaat ka pata nahi. If you know the connotation used in the northern belt of India, ये उन लोगों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है जिनके खानदान को गाली दी जाती है, जिनके डीएनए को गाली दी जाती है. इसकी जात रात का पता नहीं. That is the thing which is used, and that is Anurag Thakur used because he is from the school of Narendra Modi, and Narendra Modi also uses the DNA of Biharis.
Please stop using derogatory language for Narendra Modi.
नरेंद्र मोदी की डीएनए की रिपोर्ट मेरे पास है. नरेंद्र मोदी की डीएनए की रिपोर्ट मेरे पास है और उनके डीएनए में है पिछड़ों और पिछड़ों का विरोध करना, दलितों के लिए, शोषितों के लिए, वंचितों को उनका अधिकार न मिले, इसलिए जाति का जन करना उन्होंने
Priyanka, 1 minute. Sanju and Priyanka, calm down. First of all, I'll tell 1 minute. Priyanka, just calm down. Now the question here is, Ishkaran, I think one has touched a raw nerve here, which we must accept a raw nerve has been touched here. Either something wrong is being asked or something which should not be asked is being asked. The question was, and it is being asked of whom, Nahid? Of whom, Akashdeep? A person who has an unhealthy obsession with caste. He says What is this person's caste, that person standing next to Nirmala Sitharaman during the halwa ceremony, in the preparation of the budget, what is his caste, what is his religion? If a reporter asks him a question, what is your caste, what is your caste? He says, caste is the reality, caste is the truth, caste is the final, caste is the ultimate. Caste is everything, he says. There is nothing but caste. 1 minute. Rahul Gandhi says today, viewers, and I want to ask all the young people of this country. You see, viewers, roughly the same generation, but much more from a meritocratic world.
There's no
I challenge the
meritocratic
view. 1
world.
minute. For me, that is. See,
There are privileges.
Priyanka, don't be absolutist.
There are privileges. There are intellectual privileges, social privileges which you got under because you belong to a particular caste. You got a particular privilege because of that caste. So there are privileges walking behind so-called merit.
I'll tell you.
There is
I'll 1 minute.
Priyanka, so stop using the dubious
Priyanka, I'll tell you one thing. See, I appreciate all the memorized lines you have picked up at JNU. But you are in a real world studio. Just let me
in a real world only caste
no,
exists, and a JNU is a particular university which is always ranked number 1 or number 2 by the government of India. It's not us.
I don't mean to provoke you.
So let's not go on that.
I don't mean to provoke you. My only question is what is the question is.
When I raise questions about caste privileges, you carry
so don't sit here and give a ಭಾಷಣ to the BJP.
Which you carry, your privileges you carry in your upnaam. Why do always the people from so-called upper caste have always problems with caste census? It's not the 90% population of India who is against caste census. It is particular.
Can I just? I don't want to burst this window now. The one point. Now, one minute, Priyanka. 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Sanju, I'll tell you. Just one second. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Should listen. Census होके रहेगा. देश में आप लोगों के सामने होगा.
Okay, now Sanju and Priyanka. Sanju, first of all, see, 1 minute. I am talking to you decently. Sanju, 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. What are we on today? Sanju, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Sanju and Priyanka, both of you are lowering the debate. Just 1 minute. Don't do that. Listen to me here. Listen to me. Listen me to the point here. Right? Come to the core point. The core point is this. You see, at some point of time, Priyanka, I request you one thing. Don't go personal on me. You don't know my background. And no, Priyanka, let me tell you. Let me tell you one thing. And I'll say one thing, and I hope you'll keep quiet after that. Right? It is a little difficult for you to understand. See, Priyanka, you can behave silly.
For
I hope
marginalized section, you are telling a marginalized section of student, a research scholar from marginalized section, ये आपके लिए मुश्किल है समझना. दलितों पिछड़ों के लिए मुश्किल नहीं है सवरना. सवर्णों के लिए मुश्किल है समझना कि हमारे लिए जातिगत जनगणना क्यों जरूरी है. हमें तो मालूम है कि हमें पता चलेगा कि हमारी भागीदारी और हिस्सेदारी कितनी है और हमें मिल कितना रहा है. जिसकी जितनी संख्या भारी उसकी उतनी हिस्सेदारी. हमारा यही मुद्दा है और इसे हम
1 minute, just 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Can you both be quiet here? Just let me tell you that. Can you both be quiet here? Can you all be quiet here, please? Can you all be quiet? Can you all be quiet here a minute? Can you tell me? Can you just 1 minute? Just 1 minute. I'll make one point to you, and after that, I request you, Priyanka. I'm giving you respect, but do not try to get personal with me. I'll tell you a few things you will have to swallow and understand. Okay? When you speak to me about my privilege, let me tell you, being privileged does not take you from Kendriya Vidyalaya to Hindu College, make you top Hindu College and top Delhi University, make you get a scholarship to study at Oxford University, pass one of the toughest courses in Oxford University, or get you to be chosen not for your caste but for your merit and for your thesis to be a visiting fellow at Cambridge University, or make you the foremost journalist of the country, or make you start and lead the largest news network in India. So you can kindly keep your mouth shut when it comes to me personally. Having said that, now I return to the issue. What Ishkaran, in your view, Ishkaran and Nahid, Ishkaran and Nahid. So I'll have to tell people, you see, when they cross the line, just keep your mouth shut about me. You don't know my background. I'm not your Rahul Gandhi kind of figure. I am a hard-working person who's achieved everything in life the hard way. So don't try to identify things here, ma'am. You don't know. You know less about your subject. If I were to ask you, who is the person who defined caste? Since you say you know the most about caste, here is a GK question for you.
No.
Here's a GK question to Priyanka. Can you tell me who is the French anthropologist who defined caste theory? No. You tell me who is the French anthropologist? What is the name of the book that defined caste anthropology in India? Name the author. Or you say I don't know. No. Either you know or you don't know. Name the French author. Name the French author. Name the French. If you can say, name the. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, it's a French. It's a French. You're not willing to listen. It's a French anthropological. Who's the French anthropologist? Who is very irrelevant? Who is very irrelevant? Who is Louis Dumont? You don't know. Okay, I go back to the debate. Prepare Google search and come back the next time. Back to the windows. Thank you. You don't know. I've just explained to you. Ishkaran and Nihad. Ishkaran and Nihad. You see, the problem here is I don't have any struggle. I have only achievement. Ishkaran and Nihad. Ishkaran and Nihad. It is not Ishkaran and Nihad on the screen, please. Now the question here is, see, Ishkaran, I just proved one thing here. You see, the people who speak a lot. One minute. See, Ishkaran, these people who speak a lot, who take these memorized lines, do not realize they can't give me the name of one French social anthropologist or the person who has made caste the edifice of academia. They don't know, they are not aware, because they have not studied the subjects in detail. They have not studied the subjects in detail. Now, they have not studied the subject in detail. I hope you come a little. Priyanka, study and come next time. You must study. If you do not study, I am going back to the windows I mentioned. Priyanka, don't worry. Priyanka, don't worry. Just I'll tell you one thing. Go back to JNU. Go back to JNU. Priyanka, you're not, I'm not speaking to you. I'll only advise people like Priyanka to go back to JNU, go to the library, study the books and answer the question next time. Ishkaran, why is it relevant? Why is Rahul's caste relevant? The Congress is saying, why is the BJP asking about Rahul Gandhi's caste? Why is it relevant?
Yes. Arnab, thank you. Arnab, what Rahul Gandhi is doing would be delightfully hypocritical if it was not so dangerous. Please understand, here is Mr. Rahul Gandhi questioning the caste of a prime minister who comes from the OBC community. He is the one who gave the signal, Chaukidar Chor hai. So if you want to go into caste or class, as Rahul Gandhi wants to keep going, a person who was celebrating and cutting cakes in his childhood in chartered plane, whose family who had aircraft carriers for celebrating their vacations, is questioning the caste as well as the class of a prime minister who came from selling tea and comes from an OBC community. So if you have to go the narrative into this direction, then they must answer, is there a problem with the prime minister because of his political party?
No, I have a more detailed question.
Or because of his childhood, or because of his caste? Because if we go on this route, then we must go on this route completely.
No, I have a specific question here. I have a specific question here.
This is important.
I have a specific question here.
The list of prime ministers of this country are now coming from Congress. The first prime minister, Mr. Nehru, what was his caste and what did he do to the great Dr. B.R. Ambedkar politically is well documented. The second prime minister from Congress, Mr. Gulzari Lal Nanda. The third prime minister, a great prime minister, if I may say, Mr. Dr. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, again from Congress. The fourth prime minister, Indira Gandhi. All four prime ministers, can they please tell the caste? Now let's have the fifth prime minister from Congress, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. Can they tell the caste? Let's come to the sixth prime minister from Congress. Again a great prime minister, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Can we again debate caste? Let's come to the latest prime minister from Congress, Dr. Manmohan Singh. So when you are LOP, you want to talk about
there's a
caste.
separate question I have. There's another question which is relevant. One minute. I want to go to Nahid and Akashdeep, those who haven't spoken. Nahid.
Yes.
Nahid. A relevant question here is about whether caste is being used purely politically, and you're fully aware the Congress has opposed it when it was in power. Now, those batting, Nahid, serious question, for this theory of jitni abadi, utna haq, right? Jitni abadi, utna haq. Would they agree to the exclusion of the creamy layer from reservations. I repeat, जो कहने जितनी आबादी उतना हक, हक तो उनकी होती है जिनको हक होता है. अगर if somebody has benefited, if somebody is in the creamy layer, for example, very specific question, don't generalize this question, would they agree to the removal of the first generation of caste reservations beneficiaries
Never.
from reservations? Because caste cannot be, reservations cannot be a perpetual process. Tomorrow, if you are a chief minister, will your son benefit from caste reservation? Tomorrow, if you are prime minister, will your children benefit from caste reservations? Today, if you are the chief secretary of a state, will your children benefit from caste reservations? Fairly elementary question. I am 100% sure which way you think. Nahid, what do you think about that? And second, yeah, I'll follow up later. Yeah.
Arnab, just before I answer that question, I was just hearing Rahul speak on Mr. Modi. So everyone is curious to know that why BJP Neta Modi ji, who flies in a plane worth rupees 8,000 crore, and another plane is in standby that's also worth 8,000 crore. That he belonged to upper caste Hindus, and why did he declare his caste into OBC when he was a chief minister? Everyone is curious to know कि क्यों अपनी जाति बदल ली, क्यों ओबीसी में डिक्लेयर कर दिया. भाई ओबीसी स्वयंभू ओबीसी नहीं होते, जो पेट से पैदा होते हैं, पेट से माँ की कोख से जो पैदा होते हैं वो पिछड़े दलित होते हैं, स्वयंभू पिछड़े दलित नहीं होते हैं. तो सब जानना चाहते हैं कि क्यों डिक्लेयर कर लिया
Nahid, this is, I'll tell you. Nahid, why did you not answer my question? Why did you not answer my question? Why are you trying to go personal on the Prime Minister? The Prime Minister travels in a plane. I am very happy he travels in that large plane because he's the Prime Minister of the country. Now my question to you is, I can equally ask you, 1 minute, I have a question for Lokesh and you. Lokesh, 1 minute. Lokesh and Nahid, let me ask you a very direct question in response. 1 minute. Nahid, I have a direct question to you in response. 1 minute. I was told, just a minute please, just a minute, Sanju. I was told, now you are talking about planes and modes of travel. I expect the Prime Minister of India to travel in a Government of India plane, especially to be carrying him, and I think that's the least respect we can give the post of the Prime Minister. My reporter reached Wayanad yesterday, Lokesh. My reporter reached Wayanad. Sanju, 1 minute. My reporter reached Wayanad this morning. Nahid, I'm telling you, since you're talking about planes. The Republic crew from Delhi reached Wayanad this morning. Rahul Gandhi says his plane cannot land. Is it only possible for him to fly by chartered plane?
No, let me answer.
Not even when almost 200 people have died in Wayanad. My reporter can reach. You are saying, oh, weather's not cool enough for me to land on in my chartered plane. Why? No, is that fair? No, when he asked the question, is it fair? Is it fair? Anyway, we go back to the moot issue right now. The moot issue was the person who asks everybody his caste, his or her caste. Rahul Gandhi, during the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, when he was asked by a journalist some questions, he says, what is your name? What is your caste? What is your caste? He divides bureaucracy on the basis of caste. He divides judiciary on the basis of caste. But Nahid, why can't he tell Anurag Thakur, I am from this caste?
Yes, let me answer to this now.
What is the problem?
Let me come to this. We are honored to sit on a debate with you because you're such a highly educated person and your debates are of international standards. It's an honor to be with, sitting on debates with you. बट बीजेपी तो अनपढ़ों की पार्टी है, वो ये क्वेश्चन करे तो समझ में आता है भाई राहुल गांधी जी पहली बार एमपी थोड़ी बने हैं, दो बार एमपी रहे और अभी तो इसे यूपी से राहुल गांधी जी 4 लाख वोट से जीते और इसे यूपी से जो है मोदी जी भी एमपी में वो लगभग जीतने का दावा कर रहे थे और वो मुश्किल बायोडेटा में सब मौजूद है।
पढ़े लिखे हमारे खुद के नेता हैं, इसलिए यहाँ बैठकर एजुकेशन पर ज्ञान मत दो। You guys think कि मदरसा से एजुकेशन कौन सी मदरसा से पढ़ाई की है आपने, बताइए मैडम, कौन सी मदरसा से पढ़ाई की है आपने?
mistake.
खानदान पे सवाल
I do not want lessons on educational qualification from madrasa bigots like you.
स्मृति में आरएसएस
You guys under Akhilesh Yadav used to think that the madrasa model of development is the only model of development.
पढ़ाई होती है नागपुर में.
And today you are giving lectures to Narendra Modi. In the last 10 years, we have established more than 376 universities.
Nahid.
Every second day, a college is opened in India. Every week, a university is opened in India.
I can't hear Nahid very clearly.
IIT is opened in India. Every year, an IIT
Arnav, can I make a point, please?
Yeah, sure. 1 minute. I ask you again. You see, viewers. Sanju, 1 minute. Akashdeep.
अनुराग घटिया भाषा की वजह
Arnav, can I make a point?
No, something's gone terribly wrong when Anurag Thakur has asked Rahul Gandhi what his caste is, and then it's as if the whole world has gone crazy. By the way, Priyanka, he didn't even name Rahul Gandhi. He did not even name. By the way, Akashdeep, 1 minute. Akashdeep, just a point, and I'm giving over to you. It has been said quite clearly, and I heard the speech again. Anurag Thakur did not say, Rahul Gandhi, tell us what your caste is. He says there are people who ask everybody their caste, but they don't tell the whole world what their own caste is.
He said उनकी जात का पता नहीं.
No. He didn't mention Rahul Gandhi.
जात का पता नहीं है.
No, so he used to say that today you are talking about caste obsession.
Let Akashdeep speak. Akashdeep.
How don't you
Today you are
understand?
talking about the caste obsession of Rahul Gandhi. But when in 2014, Rajnath Singh said that whosoever will come into power, they will be putting out the 2011 caste census. Then you didn't say that they are caste obsessed. Then when late Arun Jaitley ji said that we got the data, we cannot release it now, but we will be releasing it soon. The caste census data in 2014, he said, then you didn't say that they are caste obsessed. When Rajnath Singh in 2018 as a home minister said that we will be releasing it very soon. Then you didn't say that caste obsessed. Interestingly,
The Congress again conducted
it is BJP.
in 2013.
I tell you that you are a failed party. You know the honorable president of this country is a tribal, and she wasn't called to inaugurate the parliament of this country. How insensitive are you?
37% of Modi's cabinet consists of OBCs.
I ask you, the most vocal party, the most vocal parties are here tonight. 1 minute. The most vocal parties for reservations are with us tonight. They are namely the Congress Party, the Samajwadi Party, and the RJD.
Arnab, do you remember your interview with Rahul Gandhi in January 2014? You asked Rahul Gandhi, आपका नाम क्या है? Women empowerment. Rahul Gandhi, आपकी माता जी का नाम क्या है? Women empowerment. Rahul Gandhi, what do you want to do for India? Women empowerment. Rahul Gandhi, how do you see your vision for the next 10 years? Women empowerment. Rahul Gandhi, how will you take on Narendra Modi? Women empowerment. Rahul Gandhi, how will you take on BJP?
देश में सिर्फ 4 जातियां हैं और यहाँ उनकी प्रवक्ता अलग सीएम्स की जातियां गिना रही हैं और खुद अपने मोदी जी का विरोध कर रही हैं. शब्द क्या रहा है? कंफ्यूजन कहाँ से आ रही है? इतनी कंफ्यूजन कहाँ से आ रही है? मोदी तो कह रहे थे गरीबी जाती होती है.
I want to ask Lokesh. Look, I'll ask one question to everyone. Lokesh, my question to you is after 1947, because I am only asking you because this is your policy. See, not my policy. You are saying Muslims are not represented. Muslims are not getting enough representation in the highest positions. Even among judiciary, we need Muslims. I want to ask you, can you name one Muslim president? Sanju, 1 minute. Can you name one minute, please? Sanju, yaar, it's a damn good question. Can you name a single Muslim president? Sanju, I'm asking a good question. Let me ask it. Thank you to put that down. My question to Sanju, my question to Lokesh is, Sanju, thank you. Nahid and Sanju, relax. No, it's a good question. Oh God. Nahid, can I just ask one question? Nahid, 1 minute, I'll come to you also. Lokesh, in national interest, since you are always saying that Muslims should get represented, can you tell me how many presidents of the Congress Party since 1947 have been Muslims? वोट बैंक यूज करेंगे, प्रेसिडेंट नहीं बनाएंगे.
No, but
No, what buts? Come on, you got my point. Gotcha. I got you on that one.
wait a minute.
No, come on now.
With respect to
There's nothing to wait. Question is asked. It's
with
bullseye.
respect to
Everyone on.
safeguarding their fundamental rights, with respect to safeguarding their social and economic interests.
But
the
president nahi
party has
banayenge.
always
Lokesh, tell me
been
why
very
Rahul
clear
Gandhi
and has
See,
formulated
viewers,
the
I am
policies
asking
and
very
implementing them.
fundamental question.
It is not about
Will you condemn that?
giving
Congress
priority
national
to some
spokesperson
community, but
Ajay
making
Kumar
sure
said,
that a community is not deprived of the rights
BJP and RSS.
and all
Will
forms
you
of
condemn
safeguards
to
that
your
have been
national
provided
media?
by the
If you
Constitution.
can't condemn the
And that
sexist
is something
remarks
which
against
Congress has
Draupadi
always
Murmu,
insisted
Okay, I have
upon.
one more question.
With respect to the caste,
I have one more question.
respect to
I have
the
one
caste,
more question. One more question here. They are saying, I agree with you, upper caste, lower caste is wrong usage of terminology. Right? I would say SC, ST, OBC. Can you tell me, general knowledge question today, is that out of the 3 Congress chief ministers, Priyanka, there are 3 Congress chief ministers. Out of them, is Revant Reddy from SC, ST, OBC? Is Sukhwinder Sikhu of Himachal from SC, ST, OBC? 2 out of the 3 Congress chief ministers are not from SC, ST, OBC. They are from what would colloquially be wrongly
Congress
referred to as upper caste. No.
From the SC community.
No.
Mallikarjun
Kharge. It is what is Mallikarjun Kharge? He's the first Dalit president of
When you are
AICC.
talking about-
It took you
when you ask
75
me a
years to have a
question, I'm
Dalit
replying to you.
president. Why is it touching you? See, it's very hard questions. Hard questions.
President Mallikarjun Kharge Sahab is from the SC
But charity begins at home. Why doesn't RJD have a Muslim president? Why doesn't RJD? Why doesn't RJD?
And representation is no charity.
Why doesn't?
Reservation and representation is no charity you are doing on the
Why don't?
Right.
Legacy of
So,
right of the people.
so then it's the right. It's the right of the.
Perfect particular
So-
words for you to
Perfect.
talk about discrimination
Perfect.
and marginalization.
Perfect words are these.
सीताराम केसरी के
One
साथ
minute,
क्या
one
किया
minute.
था?
Perfect.
जरा बताइए।
Perfect.
Charity.
Charity begins at home.
लीडर
Now the question here is, you have not, you see, I must correct your English. It's a phrase, it's what is, called an idiom.
I know,
Charity
but why
begins
don't
at home.
you use
I
charity
will teach
begins
you
at home?
class
It's
2.
about reservation.
In class 2,
जब
I learned
आरक्षण
this
की
in
बात
English.
होती है, तब आपको charity
In
phrase
class
दिखाई
2,
देता
I
है।
learned this in English.
जब आपको आरक्षण की बात होती है
In
तब
class
charity
2,
दिखाई देता है
class
आपको।
2, I
बाकी
learned this
चीजों
in
के लिए
English.
merit के लिए charity नहीं
This
use
is
करते हैं।
the JNU cafe
Merit
level
के लिए
debate.
charity use नहीं
This is
करते
a
हैं।
JNU cafe level debate.
This
Now I
is
point
the
to you.
debate which you don't
This is the
want
JNU
to talk
canteen
about.
level
You don't
conversation I
want
want
to
to
hear the voices from
I will.
marginalization. आपको दिक्कत है जाति
Now
गणना करना,
the
इस
question
बात
is
को कबूलिए।
serious
बात
question
को
here.
कबूलना पड़ेगा कि
Serious
उसको जाति
question,
गणना करनी
Ishkaran.
है, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहती है कि
Ishkaran,
दलित
in Rajasthan, Priyanka. In Rajasthan, there were elections. 1 minute.
Yes.
Leave the book, yeah. I'm asking the
It's
question.
not a book, it's a notebook.
No, sir, leave your notes.
I have to
Leave your,
point-
my question
I
is,
write down the points
in
right now.
Rajasthan, there were elections recently. Okay? Muslim community is 10% around population of Rajasthan, Akashdeep. Congress party, which says Muslim reservation should be there everywhere. Not a single ticket to a single Muslim candidate for the general elections. Why was that, Akashdeep? अभी सवाल पूछे तो लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सवाल रेलेवेंट है कि नहीं है?
पता है
हाँ
अर्नब जी
बोलिए ना.
सबसे बड़ा प्रश्न ये है कि जब एक सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर जब वेकेट करता है सीएम हाउस, उसके बाद उसके सीएम हाउस वेकेट करने के बाद उसका शुद्धिकरण क्यों होता है? अखिलेश यादव ने जब वेकेट किया था सीएम हाउस, उसका शुद्धिकरण क्यों हुआ? क्यों जब वो मंदिर जाते हैं, मंदिर जाने के बाद उसको धुला जाता है? क्योंकि क्या इसलिए कि वो अपर कास्ट से बिलोंग नहीं करते? क्या इसलिए क्योंकि वो एससी एसटी ओबीसी कम्युनिटी से बिलोंग करते? क्यों?
अच्छा, आकाशदीप, tell me one thing. Akashdeep, tell me one thing. You know what happened, and चीजों को छुपाई नहीं जा सकती. And Nahid, I'll tell you one thing. थोड़ी सी आप अगर अपने देश के राजनीतिक इतिहास के बारे में ज्ञानवर्धन कर लें, तो आपको पता चलेगा the biggest opponent of reservation politics has been Rajiv Gandhi.
Exactly. No, I know, Arnab. The biggest
No, so you have to
opponent of
understand
reservation
this.
Politics has been BJP. इट्स बीजेपी। जब वीपी सिंह जी ने मंडल कमीशन की सिफारिश लागू करने की घोषणा की तो बीजेपी के यूथ विंग के अनेकों पदाधिकारियों ने
वीपी सिंह की सरकार
Okay, viewers, I have to close.
भाजपा के लोग, क्योंकि मंडल कमीशन लागू हो जाता है।
to the garbage bin by Jawaharlal Nehru. Mandal Commission report was rejected by Indira Gandhi. Mandal Commission report was rejected
But
by
इस बार जो I'll tell you, we have be careful about the use of language. It doesn't befit you. It doesn't befit you to speak this language. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't believe in any party calling the other and saying kaun jaat ba. I don't believe in that kind of language. But the fact is that when Rahul Gandhi goes and asks every individual, despite your work, your hard work, your professional success, whoever you are, beyond your nationality, the greatest identity for you, according to Rahul Gandhi, he tells everyone is your caste. Why does he get so hot under the collar when people ask him what his caste is? Think about it. I'll see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Good night and goodbye.